Greetings, esteemed audience. Step foot into the realm of Tara Nawa's channel, where limitless possibilities lie in wait. Are you in pursuit of enhancing your career? Search no more, you've arrived at your ultimate destination. Our esteemed partner, Rosh Pinah Zinc, is actively seeking a motivated plant maintenance engineer. Grasp this exceptional opportunity without hesitation, take the leap and promptly submit your application. For a more profound understanding of this captivating job opening and to easily apply via our user-friendly platform at jobopportunities.net, simply click the link provided in the video description down below. Prepare to be entranced and motivated as you delve into the captivating content presented on Tara Nawa's channel. And for an even more immersive experience in this enchanting realm, stay tuned for Natalie's upcoming insights.
Greetings, dear friends. Welcome to our platform, a source of delight that paves the way for a rewarding expedition towards nurturing your professional ambitions, all conveniently housed under one roof. Are you currently on the hunt for exhilarating job prospects? Your pursuit culminates here, as we furnish everything you require. Whether you seek invaluable counsel to craft an impressive CV or aspire to refine your interview prowess, rest assured, we cater precisely to your needs. And should you long for a surge of motivation to invigorate your spirits, our extensive repository brims with uplifting content. To stay abreast of the freshest job vacancies and gain access to invaluable career counsel, we humbly implore your support through likes, shares, and subscriptions to our channel. By extending our content to your circle, you also empower your companions to chase their vocational aspirations. Accept our heartiest wishes and a flow of positive vibes from our charming town, Swakopmund. Always bear in mind that we stand resolutely by your side, ready to offer unwavering support. Until we rendezvous once more, take exquisite care,